So today we just got picked up from school, and our original plans were actually go out the balmy, but there's no swell out there, so we're just gonna go find some novelty waves. I told my dad looked at Blue Bay and he's on fire. Let's get out there.
Where are we going?
So we're just going to get my board. We got my wetsuit, and we're gonna head to Chase's house. We're gonna grab his board, his wetsuit, and then we're gonna go to Jamie's house, and then we're gonna get his stuff. He's gonna get his camera, you know. Yeah, his Ziploc bag.
You psyched?
Yeah, I'm psyched.
Let's get it.
Living the dream.
Late night.
Dude, the cat just told me it's nuking.
So what are we doing, man?
Alright, so we just got this board. I think I'm gonna bring it.
Is that your fish?
Yeah, that's my fish, bro. And we just need to take the leg rope off this one. Oh, should I bring both boards? Like,
Yeah, just in case some snap.
yeah, I'll bring both actually.
You psyched?
Yeah, I'm psyched.
Let's get it, man. Watch your leg rope. All right, you ready, bro?
Yeah, let's grab my fins, bro. Oh shit, bro. Shit.
Let's get out there.
Yeah, let's go.
Psyched, man.
Yeah, I'm psyched.
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright, so let's put the quiver in the car. It's getting serious, bro. What doing?
All right, where are we going, bro?
Just a quick update. We're just heading to Jamie's house. Yeah.
Let's get psyched.
No king. It's at Jamie's house.
Oh, we're psyched.
We're just getting his stuff. We're gonna get his camera. Oh look, I always love this trampoline. Mom, I'm filming. Oh, so we just leaving our second location. That was Jamie's house. Now we're heading off to good old Chase's house. See what's cooking there. Dreamers! At the end of this video, I almost forgot to mention that we're gonna be giving away 15,000 V-Bucks. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, turn on those post notifications, and hashtag post notification squad. Let's get it. Chase's house, third and final location. Before we go check out the swell, let's just knock on the door. I actually don't have my flip out camera right now, so I don't even know if you can see me. Hey Mel.
What's going on?
Hey, we're here with Clay. What the heck? Dude, we're going to get some nukers. Dude, you're so late.
So which one's your favorite?
Hey, little dodgy, bro.
Which one's your favorite, bro?
Look at this. This is my favorite little dog. Come here.
Oh, that's gnarly. Does that take some nukes?
Yeah, JS with a new sponsor.
Oh yeah.
Wait, look at this. Look, this is my favorite little.
Pound it, bro.
Yeah,
Pound it. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, and let's get to the nuking spot. Let's get it. Yeah. All right, we just are departing our third location, and we're going to go to Blue Bay. That's on the other side of the country. We'll be there soon. We're just going past the skate park. Excuse me, I'm videoing. Dude, there's a fight, bro. Dude, get that. Oh my god.
Clip that shit, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, you get him, bro. Right there. Apparently that's a raper's house. Dude, that's crazy. Chase actually can film with his eyes. He took out his phone with a Ziploc bag. Arguing with my mom, just a casual thing in the Pasco household.
No, Shelly, NSB.
Yeah.
NSB.
I almost forgot these two, but I'm telling you, here's a shit. But over at Chase's YouTube channel, there's gonna be a video, and it's an invitation to our bush stuff, and we're gonna be over there for 48 hours, bush stuff, all night, freaking long, bro. If you're wearing TNs, you can come, okay? Yeah. What the freak? These crazy! We're almost at a fourth location. Actually the fourth. Stop butting in! Yeah, so, sorry about that. I got another retard history. Fucking mad, right? Oh, shit, man. Oh, bro. It's freaking crazy out there. It's like, half a foot or something. It's pretty crazy. I'm being serious. It's freaking nuking. So we're just gonna go, have a look, and we'll get back to you with the quick update. Yeah, alright, so we're at Blue Bay. I don't know if it's gonna be any good, but we're still gonna check it out. It's pretty freaking cold here. It's like minus 48 degrees. Oh, dude. It's just freaking trash, bro. Trash. Fuck, I hate Blue Bay sometimes. Fucking lets me down. I get a boner and nothing even fucking happens. Fuck. I made a decision. We've actually seen a couple of nukers like at the bat. There's no sitting out there. Yeah, that's pretty sick.
Oh, come left.
Slab it. Nah, that looks shithole, bro. It's too soft.
That one.
Oh, I don't know what to do now. Oh, dude, that totally just spat.
Right.
Look at the inside. Wow. Wow. If you could get one of those from out the bat, you'd be fucking spit, bro.
So what's happening?
Alright, so I was gonna go to the car, get our gear on. We're gonna get the fuck out there. Duh.
Nuking, bro. Psyched?
I'm psyched. Dude, you got a big schlong. Dude, I need to get in the water. I'm about to pee my pants, hey, bro.
It's nuking, bro. Yeah.
We may as well just get
Go
wet.
Chase. Getting it, bro. Getting
dip,
it.
gang.
Nuking dog.
So we're actually getting nuked right now. So it's actually really freaking cold without pants on. So we're just gonna grab my wrist. I hate getting these things that tight.
You psyching, bro?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah. Oh. Yes.
Yo, getting the bus to school.
Alright, so we're getting our progression.
Psyching, bro. Psyching.
Psych!
Let's get out there.
Wait, just 1 second, bro. Yeah.
Bro, it's nuking, man. It's nuking.
Fuck, it's cold.
It's nuking. Oh.
So he's gonna run off. He's like impatient little fuckhead. He's a fuckhead.
Psyching.
So high.
Yell out. You gotta yell out. It's nuking, bro. It's nuking. There's some big ones coming out. Oh, look at that right, bro. Oh, they're gonna get so pitted, bro. Psych, man. Psych. Chase's first wave. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, this is one of Chase's waves. Drops down, huge air reverse, lands it, rides away. Oh, crazy. Guys, it's gotten a bit too dark for the camera, so I thought I could just zoom in and get some nice film shots of them. It's pretty clear. It's not too bad, but yeah, hopefully we can mix something up and get this sorted. Boys are on their own now. Oh shit, I think there's a shark. Oh shit, what? Oh my god, bro. I think Harper just got attacked by a shark. He's off his board. Oh shit. Oh bro, they're splashing. Oh, they're screaming. No bro, I gotta get out there. Oh, they made it in. Harper going for the shore. Bro, how was it out there?
Dude, it was good to do that, bro.
Bro, did you get any good ones?
Yeah.
It's pretty nuke. Bro, how was it, bro?
Fucking sick out, dude.
Get any big ones?
Got a nice barrel at the start.
Yeah, dude.
Sick.
You psyched?
That was sick.
Yeah. I'm back, bro.
Oh, that was a sick one.
How was
Yeah. Fucking awesome. That's me, bro.
Bro, you psyched?
Dude,
It's like that.
we're out there, bro. Out there, like mucking around, going ooh ah, shark bait.
Bro, I saw you got attacked by that shark.
And it was a fucking massive megalodon. It was like as big as my fucking cock.
Bro, you psyched though?
It was pretty good. Like,
Bro, I got some gnarly photos.
yeah, there was a couple of dreamers, eh?
There was. That's a novelty, bro.
That's like a full novelty. Like, I didn't get like one for the first 20 minutes of the session, and then I got a couple of screamers.
I saw that, bro.
A couple of dreamers, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Ow! Alright, so we're just gonna go back to the house, get some breakfast, and get right back out there.
Yo.
Alright, so my mom she just left me here. Fucking stuck here. So we're just gonna go see my friend Luke. Give him a bit of a surprise visit. Ask if we can have a shower together and see how it goes.
Start again.
Fuck! Dude, we should so get a beach hut, bro.
Dude, why do we need a beach hut? We got the ocean. Like, dude, what sort of nonsense is that, bro?
Oh, this is the mom. Let's get in the Uber, bro. Let's go, bro.
Mom, you should have seen that, bro. I was nuking. Oh, listen, he's probably like playing Minecraft or something. Well, did you get me some food or what? You're a stupid idiot, bro. You may get demonetized. Hey guys, that concludes our video today. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and yeah, see you in the next video. Yeah, dreamers.